42 psi, 43 psi, high side, low side. It's 66 degrees outside. That means there's zero liquid refrigerant inside this system. Zero. Let's see what happens when I try to start it. Okay. Turn on. Climate on. There, AC. Whoa, look, we have a low side pressure and a high side pressure. And we have a little bit of flow. So, you know this combination switch here, high pressure, low pressure switch? That's supposed to save your compressor. I don't see too much saving going on here. The compressor is running. The vapor is flowing. There's no cooling coming back and very little oil. So, you know the guys who are couch potato engineers and YouTube professors? Well, you could tell them where they can stick their information that your low pressure switch saves your compressor from burning up. Because there's nothing more than vapor refrigerant left inside this thing. Maybe 2 ounces at best. That's all. Goodbye.